Good morning, everyone. Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Miss Jetali. Today, we will talk about the compare and contrast the processes of development in plants and animals. Plants and animals. It's this in this page the embryonic development of and flowering plant and a simple animal, a sea or sea, are described and compared from the Goldstein point of the view, also known as phenology. The developing of the embryo of the plant. Fertilization take place and then follow the first division by which a small apical cells A and the large absal cell B are formed. The apical cells divided into four cells and form a small ball. The basal cell eligate cells at the top, page 3. The apical clump of the cells grow and form a spherical ball. The lower part will be the basal cell. Stop growing and dividing quite soon. Stage 4 and 5. This part is called the suspensor C. This stage 5 is called the globular stage of embryo. The following processes are visible. Right for right from the first division, the embryo is growing. Immediately there, there is cell differentiation. The apical and basal cells are different. The tissue is solid. So this is the development of embryo of the plant. At A is the top cells, and B is the basal cells, C is suspensor, and D is cytoledons here, and E is the root stream, and F is stem meristem, and G is the vascular tissue. The developing of the embryo of a simple animal. The embryo is now called a glutural cluster equals stomach. These indentation processes continue until the indentation reach the opposite wall. Then the tissues break open out of the blastopree. The anus is formed and the new breakthought forms the mouth. Between these two, a tube is formed that will become the digestive tract. Between the digestive tract and the outer wall or skin, a body cavity is formed in which clumps of cells, the mesoderm, are formed out of which the organ will develop. The, the embryonic development of the sea or skin schematally. So first is zygote. After 24 hours, two cells. After 26 hours, four cell cross section. Then after 48 hours, 8 cells. After 60 hours, a morula. 4 days, a blastula. And this is the blastopory. In this part, late gastrula. This called is late gastura. And this part is endotherm and like that. And the blastoropy is like from here. Difference between plants and animals. Plants grow on the ends of their their shoot and root directly to surrounding. The growing points are always placed at the end of twig. Stem and root in the primarily processes take place on the outside. Growth, grow, grow rate and size are largely determined by the environment. Animals grow to a certain, somewhat variable size and then stop growing. They are not influenced by the environment as much as plants.